Hello guys, welcome to my channel and it's me, Anne Shaw. Yes, and we're gonna be unboxing our April box. For Boxycharm, Boxycharm is my #1 favorite box among all of the subscription boxes I have. Yes, Boxycharm is a $21 a month beauty subscription, and then they put like 5-6 full-size products in it. So if you guys are interested with Boxycharm, you can go ahead and go into their website, or you could click that link that I have down below, and also you can use my my referral code. Alright, so I actually already opened whatever's in the box. Sorry about my voice, I have a little bit of a seasonal allergy, so you know, I have a golden voice. But yeah, in this box I already look at what's in it and already opened it for this video. Yeah, so on this box I got this Pure Festival makeup palette. So this is what it is, and inside there's a Pure Get a Grip eyeshadow primer, and this is the eyeshadow. Yeah, it also has a mirror, and that's the eyeshadow colors. It's very interesting. I can play around with it, especially with the glitters and all that. So it has a mix of matte colors right over here. There's some shimmer colors right there too, and right there are the glitters. I didn't put any foundation yet, so that just in case if we have fallout, it's easy to wipe off. So I'm gonna use this one. I don't feel right, so I'm gonna go ahead do my eyebrows because I feel so bare without my eyebrows. I'll be right back. Alright, there you go. So I already did my brows. So for my eyebrows, I use this iconic London Sculpt and Boost eyeshadow cushion. I got this one from my previous Boxycharm box. So yeah, and yeah, I use this one, so you already can tell that this is my my favorite. Let's head on to the eyeshadow. So I'm not really sure what kind of look I'm gonna go for, but we shall see. I'm gonna go try to use the brush that came with this box. I also got this Luxie brushes. All these three I got 3 brushes, and this little one is the small shader. The other one is a small contour brush, so that's what it is. And then the second one is the Luxie 209 large shader brush. I use this, I don't know, it's Farah. I think I got this in Epsi, I think, don't remember. I'm gonna use this pink one. Let's put that all over my eyelids. So pink and powdery. Put it all over your eyelids. I'm gonna try to do like a cut crease, so if it looks crazy right now, don't worry. we're gonna try to fix that later. I'm gonna try this hidden desert. This one right here. I'm gonna put that a little bit more towards the crease. So I'm gonna use a different kind of brush. I'm just brushing that here towards my crease. I try not to like put anything in it because I'm still gonna put like concealer on that. Do the other side. I'm gonna do a cut crease for my inner corner. So I did cut my crease. So I'm gonna try this one. I'm gonna lay that all over my lids. I'm gonna take this Free Spirit. I'm gonna put that all over my eyelids where I put the concealer in. I'm gonna use this Luxie and I'm gonna use this Magic, the 24K Magic, right over here in the in the inner corner. Ooh. Oh my goodness, it literally looks like I'm gonna go on a deepen out this corner right here. I'm gonna use this all night, so I'm gonna put that here. I'm gonna blend that eyeshadow right there. Blend that with the pink. I was thinking about putting this pink like fireworks in there. Let's try this one. Okay, let's try on the other side of the brush where it's cleaner. I'm gonna use this one, the fireworks, right here. Just a little bit, you know, just tap 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 tap. Oh my goodness. See, I'm gonna put that, I'm gonna deepen that out. I'm gonna use the brown again. See, like it's kind of like peeping through. Can you see it? Let's do the other side. Just put it right over there, right? Not really in the center, but it's towards, not really in the center, but it's towards the outer I'm gonna go ahead, put my lashes on, my eyeliner, and the rest of my face. I'm gonna put some foundation on. So I will be right back. For using all that's in my Boxycharm for the month of April, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do my finished look, and I will be back. Alright guys, so this is what it is in that video, and I hope you guys enjoy this unboxing, this Boxycharm unboxing. Yes, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and please don't forget to like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't. Yes, and I will see you guys in my next video. I'll see you guys later. Bye.